Design matters. Everything around us, from this table to my watch to the way I dress myself, those things are very particular to who you are, and how you respond to things and everybody else in the context.
Well, design is everywhere. Design has been there since the humankind existed, right? Nowadays it's becoming even more relevant because it's being part of industries and realms where traditionally you didn't see design or design thinking, including the business realm or even politics. I think design thinking is a way of understanding the world and establishing empathy with the users and the customers. So the citizens are indeed users and customers of the city itself. So design thinking and design itself can be and is being applied as we speak to all kinds of processes and industries alike.
Design is important because it solves issues that we have, whether it's from global warming to someone who's physically impaired, having a wheelchair and things like that. Those are important for somebody to also be able to participate in the bigger environment of things.
Well, I think design is very important because it can improve people's life. So I think as designers, we also have some sort of social responsibility. And if with the work that we do, we are able to improve and to make your day more productive or maybe your experience more enjoyable, I think that's something that's really valuable.
Design, it's not about something in your head or a form. Design should react with a human especially. So you cannot design something that you cannot use it. Or you cannot design something that you can use it, but it's not beautiful or ugly. So design, as I told you before, it's a combination between a response to a specific need and a philosophy of the designer. So you will find many designers, but you will find also many needs. So a successful designer will combine these two things, needs and aesthetic.
Design matters because at the very end is how we change the world, how we change how we interact in between us and how we build the world in which we live.
It matters because somehow it influences you a lot. It's like the experience, like the personal vision you have from a space, from an identity, from a person. So once you get into a space designed for someone, you are going to automatically have a response to it, and it can influence you in the way you think, in the way you are inspired. So it has to be carefully thought, and it has to take into account like who is going to experience that space.